As promised, I'm going to show you how you can check how many hours you already have for the classes that you've taken, so that way you know which ones you can take and which ones you cannot take. So they have a rule where if it's been if it hasn't been 2 years, you're not allowed to take the test again for a course and receive credit. So the course has to be older than 2 years old in order for you to take it again and to receive credit for it. To do that, to find the courses that you've already taken and the dates, you're going to go to Trek's website. It's trek.texas.gov, and it'll pull you up to their homepage, which is shown right here. Go down to the license holder search, type in your license number. If you don't know your number by heart, then just type in your name. Search licenses, and then it pulls me up under my broker. And it actually already pulled up my page, so this is me. If you go down, it shows you your course history. Now, as I've stated before, if it has not been 2 years since you have taken a course, you are not able to take it again to receive credit. So, for example, today is April of 2019. 2 years ago would be April of 2017. So anything before 2017, I am able to retake. So, for example, real estate marketing is after 2018. So if I were to take this course again for whatever reason, I would not receive the 30 hours for taking the course because it has not been 2 years. Legal update 2, legal update 1, it has been 2 years, so I will be able to take it again. So that's how you can check to see what courses you're allowed to take to receive credit for, and hope this helped you out.